In this video, we're looking at the measured and calculated values for a typical full wave bridge rectifier. So down here I've got my little rectifier. It's a molded case one. Running my 230 volt to 12 volt step down transformer, feeding into the AC inputs of my rectifier, and I have about 150 ohms of resistance connected across the output terminals, and the waveform is displayed here is a peak value of around about 15 volts peak DC. Okay, my calculations and measurements. So I've measured the actual formula that we work with for RMS is that VDC equals 0.9 volts AC RMS, or 0.9 of the AC voltage, or 0.637, which is the average of the AC peak value. So we can use either one there. And by the way, for the half wave rectifier, if we were working with the AC peak values, we would use 0.318, which is about half of 0.637. So by measurement, I've got 11.57 volts RMS measured by my multimeter coming out of the transformer going into my rectifier, and I measured 9 volts DC across the output terminals of the bridge rectifier. By calculation, I would have got 10.4 volts DC, which is approximately equal to my 9 volts DC, and very nicely comparing, if we do allow for the two diodes in series with approximately 0.7 volt dropped across each one, add that to the 9 volts that I measured at the output of the bridge rectifier, and I'm getting close